Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बच्चे, okay. So we were discussing equations of motion, right? Yes, Abdullah, tell me the second equation of motion.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, will this final velocity is equal to initial
I'm
velocity
asking you the second
plus
equation of
acceleration.
motion.
Second equation. Does that mean?
No, but in symbol forms. You don't.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
What about now?
Yes, ma'am. It's fine.
Yeah, all right. You can turn off your video. You can turn off your video if it is lagging. Yes. Now tell
Okay.
me, is it coming out clear?
Yes, ma'am. It's coming clear now.
Yes. Yes, but you tell me what is the second equation of motion? I'm asking the second one.
Oh, second one was displacement is equal to initial velocity into time plus uh, acceleration into time square divided by 2.
Yeah, you have to say it like S is equal to ut plus half at square. Not you don't have to say the whole thing. Displacement is equal to initial velocity to time. Of course, like symbols are signifying that. All right, Abdullah. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm saying, ठीक है? ये learn नहीं हुआ है?
Ma'am, I
Hmm?
learned.
अच्छा, okay. Then let me know it in the symbol forms only. Third one, v square. Yes, third one is
Yes, ma'am.
third one is
Third one is final velocity square is I
no
mean
no
v
final
square.
velocity square नहीं, v square. Okay.
V square is equal to u square plus 2 into a into s.
Yes, yes. Okay. Second equation once again.
Second equation is s is equal to u into t plus 1 by 2 into at square.
Perfect. First equation.
V is equal to u plus at, a into t.
Correct. Very good. Chalo. If I'm talking about non-accelerated, we have done this till this part of this flow chart, right? Now I have to discuss the second one with you. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So,
Yes, ma'am.
in case of non-accelerated motion, obviously the acceleration is gonna be zero. So wherever we are getting a in this equation, just put zero instead of this. Okay? See,
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो. So first equation will become v is equal to u plus at. So since a is zero for non-accelerated motion, so for non-accelerated,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I take my
है ना?
notebook? Like, 1 second. I need to take my notebook.
Yeah,
Just give me
okay.
1 minute.
All right, all right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, written. You have written this part,
Which one, ma'am?
which is
For
this one, part one.
non-acceleration.
Yes, yes. Okay. Put the heading for
Okay.
non-acceleration. In all the cases, A will become 0. So we're gonna put the actual value as 0 and then the rest of the equation. Okay.
For non.
Write it fast. Then we are gonna start with the numericals. Okay. This
Non.
red part you have to write.
Zero. Plus
Written, Abdullah.
ma'am,
Hello.
last one. Last one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Hmm. Okay, understood? So since acceleration is 0 in the case of non-acceleration motion, so I have applied all these three equations of motion by keeping the value of acceleration as 0. Okay? Take, right,
Yes,
Abdullah?
ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Let us discuss the question. In this question, S is given to me as 45 meter, that is displacement is given to me 45. U is 0, A is 2 meter per second square. Find V. Which equation of motion are we going to apply to this out of all the three?
Yes, ma'am. And here.
See, this one in this question, this is the question. Okay,
Oh,
in this question,
we have to find
S is
velocity,
given
right?
to me. Yes, final velocity. Which equation of motion should I apply? In the equation, only one variable should be there. Okay,
Velocity is equal to u plus at.
are we given time?
No,
So first equation won't be applied because then I'll be having two variables. B is also not known, T is also not known. Only one thing should be not known.
v square is equal to u square plus
A
2as.
square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So I'll accordingly find the value, right? Correct. Apply third equation in this. Abdullah, are you solving? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Put the value in the equation, square it, 2 into A into S.
Ma'am, I get root 180.
What? You've
Square
got?
root of 180.
Acha, yes, perfect. Square root of 180 from that long division method I've told you. Remember in the first class, 180 pairing? Remember
Yes,
this
ma'am. Yes,
method?
ma'am. I got
Yes.
13.
Yes, 13.44 meter per second. Okay, Abdullah? Write it.
Ma'am, I wrote on it.
Yes, good evening, Khadija. Am I audible? Hello. Khadija, are you there? Bache, unmute yourself. Acha, done. 13.4. Did you get this? Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I got
bacha.
already.
Okay. Now, next question. In this question, U is given to me, V is given to me, time is also given to me. They are asking about acceleration, but there is this catch, right? Because these are the values in kilometer per hour, but this is in second. So I'm gonna convert this into hours. So time need to be converted into hours. 1 hour is equal to 1 hour is equal to
1 hour
60
is equal to 60 seconds. 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes is
Yes.
equal to 120 seconds.
60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. 1
120
hour is equal
seconds.
to 60 minutes, right? Now, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? I want 10 seconds.
120 seconds.
10 upon 60 into 60. Okay?
120.
No, no, no. 1 upon 360.
1
1
upon 360.
upon
Yeah, 360.
360. Okay?
360. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now conversion is done. Now conversion is done. Now I can put the value. Which equation will be applied? See? Yes, Abdullah. Which equations will be applied? I need to find out A. V, U, T is given to me.
Ma'am, I think V square is equal to U plus 80.
V is equal to U plus, not V square. It's V is equal to U plus 80.
Yeah, V plus U 80. U
Yes,
80, 80. U plus 80.
correct. Put the correct value of time. Okay, 1 upon 360.
Ma'am, I got 1080.
You've got 1000. Let us see. 50 minus 20 will be 30. And here I have a into 1 upon 360. Right? So this will go here. 30 into 360 is equal to a. 3 6 are 18. 3 3 is 9. 1 0 8 0 kilometer per hour square. Okay, it will be approx 10,800. All right,
800.
Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
perfect.
So,
Okay, now let us discuss. I'll be giving you numericals more on this in the assignment. Okay, now we're going to discuss about the graphical method. Okay, first write this part. Draw this graph. Theta 1 is the slope, first slope. Theta 2 is the second slope. Okay, for VT graphs, the slope gives us acceleration. This is the slope. This you have to write.
ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
No, bache, this is not a question. This is the new topic. Okay,
Oh,
graphic. I'll explain you. First, write this.
graphic method.
Okay, these two graphs you have to make, and these lines you have to write. But do keep in mind the y and x axis. Here, the y axis is distance. Here, the y axis is velocity.
Uh, where? No.
Done.
Yes, I have finished. We have to draw the graph. Ma'am,
Yes,
we have to
you
draw
have.
the graph.
Acha, okay. And you have written this part as well. In front of distance time graph, write this one. D by t
Ma'am, we have to
speed.
draw the graph also, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And right.
Draw it neatly. Khadija, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you weren't responding in between. Hmm.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. But everything is clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, all right. I mean, I know you have already done this chapter, so you might be thinking it is very repetitive. But in this way, you're gonna revise this chapter or the important points which you might have missed while preparing. It's gonna be beneficial for you only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the this
Did
first
you
one,
both
right?
complete the assignments? Because I couldn't see the assignments.
Uh, uh,
Hmm.
Yes, almost.
Hmm.
Almost.
And what about you, Khadija?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Why?
Ma'am, I was
Ma'am, I
outside,
completed. I
so I
just.
didn't remember.
Acha, do submit it because Khadija, you have already completed this chapter. So, it will be very easy for you to solve those questions and practice, stay in touch with those numericals so that while preparing for the final exams, it is very easy for you to brush it up. Okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Abdullah, what about you? I've told you in the last
Uh,
class as well. I want the assignments since you are having
ma'am,
your
I.
test coming up.
Ma'am, I completed. I just have to like upload. That's it.
Acha, okay, okay. Upload it by today, okay? Then
Yes, ma'am.
accordingly, I'll tell your mistakes before the exam. Na? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, made the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now, if we see, there's this graph. Let's write this part as well. You have written till here, na? Along with the graph, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now I first write this one. The one I have marked in red.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that is V into T, right?
Yes. This box part and these two lines. The area under VT graphs gives us displacement or distance.
Yes, ma'am. Finish. Only the red part, right?
Yes. Now, talking about the area between distance time graph, it gives us nothing. Okay, write this part.
Excuse me, ma'am. I didn't hear. Distance into time is equal to nothing.
Yes, it will give nothing.
Zero, right?
Nothing. Not zero, nothing. There is no physical quantity as such.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Done? Yes, bache, done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So shall I start with the explanation now? See,
Yes, ma'am.
there are basically two types of graphs: distance time graph, velocity time graph. Okay. So the slope of distance time graph gives us a speed. This I have discussed with you in the case of uniform non-uniform motion as well. Remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So can you tell me which is the higher speed in this graph? Car B or car A?
Car B, as it's decreasing more
Very good, very
high
good.
within less time.
All right. And in this case, VT time graph, the slope gives us acceleration. Again, can you tell me which one is the slower? Which one is having
Slower is car
lesser?
A, car A,
Very
because
good.
it's
Excellent. So this theta is
less
basically showing
velocity.
us the slope. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Khadija? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Chalo. So two things we discuss when it comes to graph. First, we discuss about the slope, right? Slope is basically y-axis upon x-axis, right? So the y-axis in the case of distance time graph is d, है ना? Is the distance, and the x-axis is time, which is the formula for distance upon time. Don't you think speed is the formula for this distance upon time? Yes or no? है ना? That is why we say the slope of distance time graph gives us speed, because it is resembling with the formula for speed. Yes or no? Now, when it comes to velocity time graph, again, slope formula is y-axis upon x-axis, y-axis upon x-axis. In the case of VT graph, our y-axis is having velocity, right? So velocity by time relates to the formula of acceleration. That's why we say VT graphs slope gives us acceleration. Okay. So what did ma'am say? Two types of graphs mostly. One
One
is
for speed
VT,
and one
distance
for velocity.
and velocity type. Perfect. And two things for each graph: slope, area, slope, area.
Higher the slope is more the like speed or acceleration.
Perfect. Speed is more. Higher the slope, acceleration is more. Exactly. Very good. So in the case of distance time graph, if I'm talking about distance time graph, the slope will give me speed,
More speed.
right,
More
Khadija?
speed.
Right, Abdullah?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Area will give me, in the case of distance time graph, it will give me nothing.
Nothing. Yes, ma'am.
Slope will give me acceleration, area will give me displacement. Displacement, or you can interchangeably call it distance here. Okay. Ma'am, what is area?
Yes, ma'am.
You told us that y-axis upon x-axis, by doing y upon x, we can calculate the slope. But how are we supposed to calculate the area? It is y-axis into x-axis. Okay. So if I am multiplying velocity into time, see, velocity into time, y-axis
Y-
into x-axis.
Your displacement.
Time unit is, yes, I will get the unit of distance. Okay? Because seconds will get cancelled from each other. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So these things we have to keep in mind before solving the questions. Okay? Okay,
Yes,
बच्चे?
ma'am.
Shall I move
Yes, ma'am.
ahead with the numericals now? In graphs, you will
Numericals.
be asked
Yes, ma'am.
numericals. You know, na? You know, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Hmm. Just a second. Let me remove the answers.
Ma'am, your screen.
Yes, because I was erasing answers. Now is it visible? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Khadija. Now, or both of you will try to solve this. Okay? You also had like difficulty in graph problems, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Chalo. First, let us discuss with the easier one. Question 7. You're gonna write in chat, both of you.
From seventh one you have to write.
Ma'am, the
Yes, but
chat
yes,
is
7.
disabled.
As a chat is disabled. Okay. Fourth and seventh question. Read the fourth and seventh question carefully. Yes. Question number 4. What are you getting? If the displacement of an object is directly proportional to square of time, then the object moves with. Don't you think this is seeming a little familiar? S is equal to ut plus half.
Ma'am, I
Actually, you have sent the answer. Okay, very good. Excellent, Abdullah. So S is equal to ut plus half at square, right? So I've told you these three equations are valid only for uniform acceleration. Remember all these equation of motion where the condition was uniform acceleration. So the answer becomes B, right? Right, Khadija?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right, Abdullah?
Yes,
Khadija is
ma'am.
also sent. Perfect, perfect. Both of you have sent correct answers. So seventh wala very direct question. I've told you meter, which has the unit meter because it shows us distance or displacement, right? Perfect. Chalo, next one. Hmm. Which read this question. Question 8. Again, chat.
We have to do eighth one, right?
Hmm. Okay, Khadija is sent. All right, all right. Yes, Abdullah. Eighth one. Answer भेजो जल्दी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah is also saying car B is the it's ka B. Perfect, perfect. Very good, both of you. I that. Yes. So let us go with the next question. This one. Important question. Uniform motion of an object moving correctly. This we have discussed. Yes, Abdullah, I didn't get answer from your side. Uniform motion.
Ma'am, the screen was black for a second. I didn't see the question.
Acha,
Sorry.
acha, okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Attempt
Now
this
I
one.
got the right.
Khadija has sent the answer. Hmm.
So now I
Acha, okay.
sent.
Abdullah has also sent the answer. Ninth guy. Perfect, perfect. This we have done in the notes as well. Uniform motion means uniform speed basically, right? So we have a graph like that. Okay, guys, can you tell me what is D? D part graph. What is this showing? Rest two graphs are for uniform acceleration, है ना? And this one is for deceleration. What is the D graph showing? Can anyone tell me? What is the
Yes,
D
ma'am.
graph? But what is this signifying?
Ma'am,
D
the
graph.
graph shows that it goes zero distance in like
Perfect. Very
depending on
good.
time.
That means it is at rest. Excellent. Because see, my time is increasing. My time is increasing, increasing, increasing. But my object is still there. My object is still standing there only. You know? It is at a constant place. It is not moving. Because if it would have been moving, then of course it would be having some speed. It is not having any speed. It is because not it is not covering any distance. That means the object is at rest. Very good, Abdullah. Again, direct question. What's your fourth question? Direct question again. Repeating. What is that quantity? Tell me, Khadija. Perfect. What is the quantity, Abdullah?
Ma'am, is it displacement?
Yes, perfect. Chalo. Now numerical based. The velocity time graph is given. ठीक है? Find its acceleration. We have to find the acceleration. Acceleration is acquired only when the speed is changing, है ना? Right? And the speed is 20. My object is moving with the speed of 20 meter per second constantly. Okay. So first I have to find the acceleration from the graph. Velocity is very direct, given already. And the distance covered by the cyclist in 15 seconds. That means still here. You guys want to try it, or shall I start with the solution?
Ma'am, we will try.
Okay, okay, bache.
17th one, right?
17th one. Yes, bache. All the three parts. First two parts are very direct. Third one you have to calculate. Khadija has attempted. Excellent. Very good. Very good, bache. Till then, I'm showing the next question. Okay, 14th one. You attempt this. Abdullah, bache done?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, almost. I'll send now.
Acha, okay, send. You've sent. Acha, I'm opening the answers. So, are you able to see that on the screen? I'm opening your chats. Are you able to see that on the screen? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है फिर ठीक है
Ma'am, I didn't
Yes, ma'am, I
understand
sent.
the
okay
ma'am.
yes बच्चे
I didn't understand the 14th one.
okay we are discussing Abdullah first is correct your answer first is correct acceleration is 0 but velocity is not 0 बच्चे see what is the velocity Abdullah what is the velocity देखो ग्राफ में वेलोसिटी भी अगर 0 ही हो जाती तो एक्सेलरेशन आती ही नहीं, है ना? हेलो अब्दुल्ला, एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? वेलोसिटी क्या है बताओ?
So,
वेरी डायरेक्ट,
velocity
ये देखो 20, उसी से तो
20,
चलना
yeah,
है।
20.
ठीक है,
So, yes, 20, yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, कभी कभी ज्यादा नहीं सोचना। इजी थे, फर्स्ट टू पार्ट्स वर इजी। a is 0, why? Because no change in velocity, है ना? Earlier also it was 20, now also it's 20, no change in velocity. This will be the reasoning. Velocity is 20 meter per second from the graph, we can see directly. Okay, now the area, you have calculated the area also as 0. No, no, area, the distance will give me the area na, hai na? I mean the area will give me the distance na. So this will be the distance, this all area, right? So I want to know till, see bache how I am calculating, ठीक है? 15 seconds. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So till here, don't you think it is a rectangular being made, है ना? Having breadth as 20, the velocity part, and the this length part is 15. So y-axis into x-axis, है ना? Area is 20 into 15, which is 300 meter. The distance is 300 meter. All right, Abdullah,
Yes, ma'am.
got it? Written, correction done,
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand.
है ना?
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है? Graph based questions will be asked, but they are very scoring. Okay, written. In the next class,
Yes,
we're going to discuss a few more numericals, different variety of questions related to graphs, related to the bigger calculation questions as well. Okay, and then we're gonna wind up this
yes,
chapter. We are done with this. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So practice your numericals and submit your assignment so that you are able to see variety of questions. Okay. In the next
That will
class, we're gonna discuss with this 14th question. Okay, Khadija, we're gonna start with 14th